Why XRP will replace Bitcoin. Bitcoin has always been the king of cryptocurrency, but XRP is in great competition with it. A question arises here that will XRP replace the Bitcoin in this race? Let's find out. Hey guys, and welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel that gives you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. At the end of this video, you will know that which cryptocurrency is better and will XRP be replacing Bitcoin. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Guys, while Bitcoin is a digital currency intended as a means of payment for goods and services, Ripple is a payment settling currency exchange and remittance system intended for banks and payment networks. The idea is to provide a system for direct transfer of assets, e.g. money, gold, etc., that settles in almost real time and is cheaper, more transparent, and secure alternative to transfer systems used by banks today, such as the SWIFT payment system. Before coming to the main topic, first we should know the basics of XRP and Ripple. Things you must know about Bitcoin. So basically, Bitcoin was created in 2009 and is the first and original cryptocurrency. It was built by an anonymous developer called Satoshi Nakamoto, who wanted to create a new global payment system that would allow people to send and receive money on a peer-to-peer basis. Due to its peer-to-peer mechanism, the Bitcoin system is decentralized because it is not controlled by any single person or authority, nor is it controlled by any central bank, government, or nation-state. Instead, transactions are confirmed by the contributing Bitcoin community called miners. Bitcoin, or BTC, also has a maximum supply of 21 million coins. The current circulating supply is 17.1 million, with the number increasing each day. However, there will never be any more than 21 million Bitcoins mined, and that figure is expected to hit in the year 2140. So moving on, we have XRP. Things you must know about XRP. Guys, Ripple was first launched in 2012, 3 years after Bitcoin. It was built by a company called Ripple Labs, who are based in the United States. The purpose of Ripple was to create a payment system that could be used by banks to transfer funds both domestically and internationally. Although they are targeting the financial service industry, anyone can buy and sell the currency of Ripple, the XRP coin. Just like Bitcoin, the Ripple blockchain does not require third parties to confirm and verify transactions, allowing people to send and receive funds on a peer-to-peer basis. In total, there will be a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins, with a current circulating supply of about 60 billion. Technical specifications of Bitcoin and Ripple. Now moving on further, let us see the technical specifications of these two cryptos that will allow you to understand where they both stand and who will beat the other in the future. Speed of transactions. Talking about Bitcoin, when you are sending funds to another person, the Bitcoin blockchain takes approximately 10 minutes for the transaction to be confirmed. This remains the same no matter where the sender and receiver are located. But Ripple performs much better than Bitcoin. When sending XRP from one wallet to another, it only takes a few seconds for the transaction to be confirmed. This makes Ripple a much better alternative to Bitcoin when it comes to the speed of transaction. Transaction fee. When Bitcoin was first released, transaction fees were very low. It would cost just a fraction of a cent to get the transaction processed. This made Bitcoin ideal as a global payment system. However, as the system became more and more popular, the amount the users had to pay has increased quite substantially. During its busiest period in late 2017, transaction fees were costing as much as $40, which isn't sustainable for micropayments to say the least. When it comes to transaction fees, Ripple is practically free because the standing cost to make a transfer is just 0.00001 XRP. To put this in real-world numbers, even when XRP reached its all-time high on January 4th, 2018 at $3.29, this would have amounted to a transaction fee of just 0.0000329 cents. This means that you can send over 30,000 transactions before you pay $1 in transaction fees. Mining and circulations. Bitcoin uses a proof-of-work system and mining for releasing new BTC tokens, forming an essential part of the validation process, while all the XRP tokens are pre-mined. For this reason, XRP mining does not exist in the same way that Bitcoin mining does. The crypto coin release mechanism is different for both BTC and XRP. While Bitcoins are released and added to the network as and when the miners find them, a smart contract controls the release of XRP. BTC has a total supply of almost 21 million crypto coins, and XRP has a total of 100 billion pre-mined crypto coins. Transaction validation. Instead of using the blockchain mining concept, the Ripple network uses a unique distributed consensus mechanism through a network of servers to validate transactions. By conducting a poll, the servers or nodes on the network decide by consensus about the validity and authenticity of a transaction. This enables almost instant confirmations without any central authority, which helps to keep XRP decentralized and yet faster and more reliable than many of its competitors. While the Bitcoin network is accused of being energy hungry due to its mining system, the Ripple system consumes negligible power owed to its mining-free mechanism. These 4 points have now made it clear which coin is the future. Ripple offers safety. Ripple plans to release a maximum of 1 billion XRP tokens each month as governed by an inbuilt smart contract. The current circulation is over 50 billion. Any unused portion of the XRP in a particular month will be shifted back to an escrow account. This mechanism ensures that there will be no possibility of misuse due to the oversupply of XRP crypto coins, and it will take many years before the crypto coins will be available. But this security system for its users is not provided by other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is harm to environment. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, in a recent interview to Bloomberg, said that each Bitcoin transaction consumes energy equivalent to 75 gallons of gasoline. During the conversation with the publication, the businessman attacked the environmental aspect of cryptocurrency mining. He said, "Bitcoin as a payment mechanism is almost the least efficient payment mechanism that mankind has ever created, because as the price of Bitcoin goes up, the energy consumption and carbon footprint continues to scale aggressively. I think we can't lose sight, as one Bitcoin transaction is equivalent to about 75 gallons of gasoline being burned." So guys, the statement of Brad Garlinghouse proves that Bitcoin is harmful for the environment, and its transactions being more costly than XRP also is cause of harm to the climate, because the process of validating transactions, securing the network, and ultimately creating new coins uses a lot of electricity, which has rising concerns regarding the carbon footprint the asset leaves. Before Brad Garlinghouse, this issue was also talked about by big names like Bill Gates and Janet Yellen. XRP, the Future Global Payment System, WEF. As World Economic Forum founder Klaus Schwab stated that XRP will be the global payment currency, and also Ripple is the partner of WEF to help the Great Reset. The purpose of the reset is to recover the world from economic losses caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Another reason why XRP is preferred by WEF than other cryptocurrency, even the number one Bitcoin, because one transaction of Bitcoin is equivalent to burning 75 gallons of gasoline. This is really harmful for the climate, as in this time the world is witnessing the degradation of the ozone every day. Bitcoin transaction is proving to be another hazard, but WEF wants to build a climate-neutral world, and for this, the preference would definitely be XRP, with fast, cheaper, and environmentally friendly transactions. Who is better, XRP or BTC? While Bitcoin is seeing increased use by individuals and organizations as a virtual currency, the Ripple system is more popular amongst banks. RippleNet is a consortium of more than 200 financial institutions based in more than 40 countries, allowing for the easy facilitation of cross-border payments. The Ripple network continues to see growth among financial institutions, an area in which it is ahead of its competitors in the digital currency space. The Ripple system scores better than Bitcoin network for its lower processing time and lower transaction charges. It offers an easier way for financial institutions to embrace the digital currency. However, Bitcoin is generally more widespread, but we know that after the lawsuit and the Great Reset, things are changing. People are getting to know XRP too. So we can hope that there will come a time when XRP will get the fame as once Bitcoin did. Experts say XRP would only need to rise to around $7 per coin in order to steal Bitcoin's leading crown. In anticipation for the recent hearing of SEC lawsuit, XRP reached its 3-year high of $1. That's huge news for XRP investors, and now we just hope that the potential this cryptocurrency has takes it to that level. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help for you. What do you guys think? Will XRP replace the Bitcoin? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thanks for watching.